Hey parents, welcome to Elite Finance Insights, the place where you manage money for your kids' future the right way. No fluff, no empty promises, just real, actionable tips that'll actually make a difference for your family. Let's go. Did you know that the average American family spends over $1,000 a month on groceries? That's a huge chunk of your hard-earned money disappearing every single month. But what if I told you there's a way to cut that by at least $200 without sacrificing quality, nutrition, or variety? Sounds impossible? Stick around because by the end of this video, you'll have a complete step-by-step meal planning strategy that'll keep your family well-fed while keeping more cash in your pocket. Let's start with the biggest mistake most people make when it comes to grocery shopping. Shopping without a plan. If you walk into a grocery store without a list, you're basically handing over your wallet to the store. Supermarkets are designed to make you spend more. From strategic product placements to psychological pricing tactics, every aisle is engineered to get you to buy things you don't need. That's why meal planning is so powerful. It gives you control, stops impulse purchases, and ensures you're buying exactly what you need for the week ahead. So how do you create an effective meal plan? Start with a simple system. Plan, prep, shop, and save. First, plan your meals for the entire week. Take into account what's already in your pantry and freezer. Look for meals that use similar ingredients so you can buy in bulk and reduce waste. Stick to cost-effective staples like rice, beans, lentils, pasta, and frozen vegetables. Don't forget to incorporate affordable protein sources like eggs, chicken thighs, and canned tuna instead of pricier cuts of meat. Next, prep by writing a detailed shopping list based on your meal plan. Organize it by grocery sections to avoid wandering the aisles and getting tempted by unnecessary items. Check your local grocery store's weekly ads for discounts and coupons. Many stores have loyalty programs or apps that offer digital coupons, and those few extra minutes of planning can save you a significant amount over time. Now it's time to shop smartly. Never go grocery shopping hungry. That's a guaranteed way to overspend. Stick to the perimeter of the store where fresh produce, dairy, and meats are located. The middle aisles are where you'll find the most processed and overpriced items. Buy generic brands instead of name brands. Most of the time, they're just as good but cost up to 30% less. Also consider buying in bulk for items you use regularly. Warehouse stores like Costco or Sam's Club can save you a lot if you buy strategically. Another key tip, avoid pre-cut fruits and veggies. They may be convenient, but you're paying nearly double for the convenience. Instead, buy whole produce and take a few extra minutes to chop them yourself. The same goes for pre-marinated or pre-seasoned meats. They cost more, and you can achieve the same flavors at home for a fraction of the price. Once you've got your groceries, it's time to save through batch cooking and leftovers. Cooking in larger quantities saves time and money. Make meals that can be easily repurposed throughout the week. For example, a big batch of roasted chicken can be used for tacos, salads, and sandwiches. Soups, stews, and casseroles are also great because they stretch ingredients further and can be frozen for later use. Speaking of freezing, take advantage of your freezer. Buy meat in bulk when it's on sale and freeze portions for later. Cook and freeze rice, pasta sauce, or even chopped vegetables to make meal prep easier. If you're a fan of smoothies, buy bananas in bulk, slice them up, and freeze them for a quick and affordable smoothie base. Another game changer, go meatless at least once or twice a week. Plant-based meals like bean chili, lentil soup, or vegetable stir-fry are not only nutritious, but also way cheaper than meals centered around meat. And don't forget about breakfast for dinner nights. Eggs, pancakes, and oatmeal are inexpensive and filling options that kids love. Let's talk about eating out. If your family eats out regularly, this could be one of your biggest budget leaks. Even just cutting back on takeout by 1 or 2 meals per week can save you over $100 a month. If you do eat out, look for promotions, use coupons, or choose family meal deals. Many restaurants offer kids eat free nights, so take advantage of those whenever possible. Now let's talk about some advanced hacks. One of the smartest ways to cut grocery costs is to use cashback apps like Ibotta, Fetch Rewards, or Rakuten. These apps give you cashback on everyday grocery purchases, and over time those savings add up significantly. Another trick is to buy seasonal produce. It's fresher, tastes better, and costs much less than out-of-season fruits and vegetables. Another tip that many people overlook is community-supported agriculture, CSA, programs. Many local farms offer CSA subscriptions where you get fresh organic produce at a lower price by buying directly from the source. Farmers markets are also great places to score deals, especially if you go near closing time when vendors are more willing to negotiate prices. Want even more savings? Consider growing your own herbs and vegetables. Even if you don't have a garden, a small indoor herb setup can save you money. Fresh herbs like basil, mint, and parsley are expensive at the store but incredibly cheap to grow at home. Lastly, get your kids involved in meal planning and cooking. Not only is this a great way to teach them valuable life skills, but they'll also be more likely to eat what they help prepare. When kids are engaged in the process, you reduce food waste and complaints about meals. Plus, cooking at home together strengthens family bonds. To take your savings even further, consider using meal prep services selectively. Some grocery stores offer pre-portioned meal kits that are cheaper than takeout, but still convenient. These can be a good compromise when you're too busy to cook from scratch. One of the most overlooked ways to save big on groceries is by using coupons and loyalty programs. But here's the thing, not all coupons are created equal. You don't need to spend hours clipping coupons or obsessing over deals that don't really save you much. Focus on those high-value coupons for the items you already plan to buy. Loyalty programs can also give you exclusive discounts or reward points that add up over time. Sign up for your local grocery store's program, and take advantage of apps like Honey or Rakuten to track and apply online discounts. Every dollar counts when you're trying to stretch your grocery budget. Leftovers can be a game changer if used correctly. If you've made a big batch of soup or stew, don't throw out the leftovers after one meal. Store them in reusable containers and use them within a few days. Leftovers are not only cost-effective, but they're also a time saver for busy families. Another great strategy is to use meal rotation. Create a system where you reuse meals every few weeks. For example, every second Tuesday could be taco night or pasta night. This consistency helps streamline shopping, saves mental energy, and ensures that meals are always on hand. Bulk buying can be an excellent way to save money in the long run, but it's important not to overdo it. The key is buying bulk items that you actually use regularly, like grains, oats, or canned goods. Be strategic about what goes in your bulk basket. Purchase non-perishables that have a long shelf life and can easily be stored. If you're considering bulk fresh produce, make sure you'll be able to consume it before it spoils. And if you don't have a Costco or Sam's Club membership, consider teaming up with a friend to split large quantities of items you both need. So let's recap. To cut $200 or more from your grocery bill each month. Plan your meals, stick to a shopping list, avoid impulse buys, buy in bulk, cook in batches, go meatless occasionally, limit dining out, use cashback apps, explore CSA programs, grow your own produce, and get your kids involved. It's a simple system, but it works. Now I want to hear from you. What's your biggest challenge when it comes to meal planning? Drop a comment below and let's help each other save money while keeping our families healthy and happy. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a new tip on managing money the right way. Thanks for watching and see you next time on Elite Finance Insights.